Welcome back to another quick guide. Today, we'll walk you through how to run a Windows Defender scan. To run a Windows Defender scan, we have three best methods without using Safe Mode. Method 1. Quick or full scan. Press Windows key plus I, go to Privacy and Security, then Windows Security. In Virus and Threat Protection, click Quick Scan to scan the most critical areas of your system. For Deep Scan, click Scan Options and choose Full Scan, then click Scan Now. Next method, Custom Scan. Open Windows Security and go to Virus and Threat Protection again, and Scan Options. Choose specific locations by select Custom Scan, click Scan Now, and choose the folders or drives you want to scan, then hit Select Folder. Windows Defender will scan the selected locations and display results. Last method, Microsoft Defender Offline Scan. Open Windows Security and navigate to Virus and Threat Protection, then Scan Options. Choose Microsoft Defender Offline Scan and click Scan Now. Restart and scan. Your PC will restart and Windows Defender will perform a scan before the operating system loads, ensuring thorough threat protection. Additional tips: update definitions. Keep Defender's virus definitions updated by running Windows Update. View scan results, check protection history and Windows Security to review any detected threats. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.